Strange trumpet sounds and loud booms heard in the skies in various places. In the United States, tremendous locations, Canada, and North America. While there are those that ruin the legitimacy of these events by posting fake videos, there's no doubt that there is something going on. But what, we don't know. That is the real question, which at the present remains unknown. Strange noise trumpet sounds heard all around the world. A list of some of those similar noises heard so far are Bennington, Vermont, Prague, Czechoslovakia, Johannesburg, South Africa, Mumbai, India, Benson, Arizona, Tucson, Arizona, Medicine Hat, Alberta, Canada, Caracas, Venezuela, Anchorage, Alaska, Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, Aberdeen, Scotland, Millinocket, Maine, Quebec City, Canada, Kyoto, Japan, Franklin, Tennessee, New Orleans, Louisiana. This is all in a week from January 1st to January 9th a few years ago. So why is that happening? And then we had mysterious booms from 64 locations worldwide. And of course, it's still don't know what's causing this. Residents in Alabama left baffled a few weeks ago when a loud boom resounded across the state. The boom, nicknamed Bama Boom, has left experts stumped, with suggestions causes ranging from supersonic aircraft to meteors exploding in the atmosphere. This is not the first time that the mysterious sound has been heard, and incidents are becoming more frequent, according to some reports. There are those at somewhere around Portland, Oregon, a little while ago, went out to get something from the grocery store at night, 11 o'clock at night, and he first saw the blue lights above him in the sky and then heard the mysterious trumpet sounds, and he had his phone with him, and he actually saw this concurring, the blue lights, the flashing lights, and the trumpet sounds. So what was causing that? There was nothing around there. That could have been a train or an airplane. Very strange, but he did post that. Now, so it's not the first time these sounds have been heard, and incidents seem to be becoming more frequent, according to some reports. Similar noises heard around 64 times in a year in locations including Michigan, Lapland, St. Ives, Swansea, and Yorkshire. And the causes are unknown. Suggested explanations include sonic booms for aircraft or meteorites. The Birmingham National Weather Service tweeted, "Loud boom heard. We did not see anything indicating large fire or smoke on radar or satellite. Nothing on USGS indicating an earthquake." The service suggested that the sound was either caused by a sonic boom from aircraft or a meteorite from the Leonid shower, but NASA has since cast doubt on these explanations. And speaking to ABC 3340, Bill Cook, head of NASA's Meteoroid Environment Office, said that the boom could have been caused by a supersonic aircraft, a ground explosion, or a bolide, a large meteor that explodes in the atmosphere unrelated to the Leonid shower. So while the noise was picked up by U.S. Geological Survey, data suggested the boom was not the result of an earthquake. The boom may have been caused by a military flight by a supersonic jet, although the U.S. Air Force has not confirmed this. The Bama boom is just one of the many mysterious booms heard around the world this year. Now, and the causes are still unknown. For example, the boom in Alabama, similar noise was heard in Idaho. Multiple people reported hearing this boom over Lewis-Clarkson Valley. Many of the reports describe sounds as being similar to a sonic boom, although its cause and location remain unclear. Again, over Cairns, Queensland, in Australia, the boom heard and the city felt baffled, and residents theorized range from a meteor to a gas bottle exploding or military plane. And then you have other places unknown. According to Abergavenny Chronicle, one resident said, "It nearly gave me a heart attack and it was so loud. At first I thought it was a shotgun blast or firework, but it was too loud for that. The sound seemed more like a tank going off." Another cause in Lapland could have been a falling meteor. A boom in Lapland caused by a falling fireball from a falling meteor. Footage showed a bright light in the sky over Inari in Finland, but the flash was so intense it was also seen in Russia's Kola Peninsula and in northern Norway. Stargazers reported seeing the sky light up like day for a few seconds, alongside a loud noise as the space rock plummeted towards Earth. And falling meteors, Eyre Peninsula, Australia, as a bright blue meteor shot across the sky. Loud bangs were not caused by the fireball hitting Earth, and instead were caused by the change in pressure as the meteor soared through the air. Also, in Florida, caused supersonic flight tests. Booms rattling central Florida caused by military mission ending at the Kennedy Space Center, U.S. Air Force tweeted. So you have all these mysterious booms all over the United States and all over the world. 64 in 1 year, according to Shivati Best of Daily Mail. This is on Bended Reality. Please leave your comments, and if you've ever heard them, explain and describe them to us. Thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support, and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.